Hello guys, welcome to my channel Dance with Kunal. After receiving so many requests, I have started my tutorial channel for you guys. So I'm gonna teach you today arm waves, chest waves and body waves. Arm waves, chest waves and body waves are the most important part of the dance. You can see these waves in the most of the dance styles like hip hop, Bollywood, popping and many more. So let's start with some exercise moves first. Now let's start with chest waves. Okay, so the first thing we already learned in the exercise: right shoulder, chest, left shoulder, and in. So the first thing, right shoulder up, chest goes out, left shoulder up, and chest goes in. Easy, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now try to do fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make it smooth as possible. That's it. So now let's start with arm waves. For arm waves, you have to make a straight line with the shoulder level. And I'm gonna break it out into 7 parts. Wrist, elbow, the third one shoulder, the fourth one shoulder, the fifth one elbow, sixth one wrist, and 7 hand. So we have total 7 parts. So first start with the wrist. 1. The elbow goes up. The elbow movement we already learned in the exercise. The third one, elbow goes down like that. Okay, easy. Again, 1, elbow up, elbow down with shoulder round, elbow down with shoulder round. 3. Easy. 1, 2, 3. Now start with the right hand. Shoulder, elbow goes up, elbow goes down, and release. Okay, so let's start with some fast movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fast. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now one more thing. For microwaves, you have to use your fingers. So how to use your fingers? Just goes down, down, and make a wave and goes up. Down, down, make a wave and goes up. You can do with the fast movements. 1, 2, 3. It has to be curved here. You got my point? It has to be curved. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So when we are starting with some waves, you have to use your finger first. 1, 2, 3, and then start the same movement. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And at the same time, when you are releasing your fingers, start with 1, 2, and 3. Again, 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now let's combine with the chest waves with the arm waves. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. Chest goes up. Right shoulder, elbow, wrist, and hand. So the arm waves have total 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Just add one more part with the chest one. You have to make a roll. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So if you are combining with the chest moves, you have total 8 parts of the arm waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the arm waves with the chest waves. So once you get the basic arm waves, you can work on different types of hand waves. Like I'm going to start with diagonal waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do reverse as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So the another one is the liquid waves. So let's start how to do liquid wave. 1. So the left one goes straight, and the right one. Your wrists try to match with your shoulder. Okay. Now again you have to use your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and straight. At the same time, the left one goes in. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But we have to do both hands on the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now go other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's make a fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So the another one is the wrist waves. We already learned the finger waves, right? 1, 2, 3. Now just go to reverse. 1, 2, 3. That's it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we start with the right hand. 1, 2, 3. And left goes in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the right one. 1, 2 and 3. And the left one. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just work on it. It will come. Yeah, you can use like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, so the third one is a body waves. I'm gonna break it out with the 4 parts. So head, chest, stomach and hips. Head, chest, stomach and hips. Okay, so the first one, head goes down, chest goes out, and chest goes. Now the third one, chest goes in and stomach goes out, and the fourth one, hips goes out. Okay, so head, chest, stomach and in. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to make your head with the roll movement. 1, then chest, then stomach, and the same time your hips movement with the roll movement. 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Same hips, stomach, chest and neck. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And many people are using another technique like sit on the chair and stand up. Sit on the chair and stand up. So now let's combine arm waves, chest waves and body waves. guys for sharing, and please do comment on my video, and if you want to learn anything, just write in my comment, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you so much.